I'm going to teach you how to join the Brevo affiliate program step by step. This is perfect for beginners, and the whole process only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to Google, or use any search engine you prefer. In the search bar, type Brevo affiliate program and press enter. In the results, find the option that says Become a Brevo affiliate partner, and click it. You'll land on the Brevo affiliate page. Take a moment to scroll and review the benefits if you'd like. When you're ready, locate the sign-up form on the page to start your application. Begin filling it out with your first name and last name. Then enter your company name. Next, add your company website. Make sure you paste the full URL, including the HTTPS, if that's how your site loads. After that, enter your work email address. This needs to be a domain email that you own. Free email addresses like Gmail or Hotmail won't be accepted. Now select your country from the list and click Next. You'll be asked whether this website is your primary source of traffic. Choose Yes, then click Next to continue. On the following screen, choose your audience type. You can select YouTube or any other platform that fits how you promote content. Click Next, then enter your audience size and describe the kind of content or resources you plan to use to promote Brevo. Keep it clear and specific so they understand your approach. Once those details are in, click Next. You'll see the terms and conditions, read through them, then confirm that you understand and agree. When everything looks good, submit the form. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your application has been received. From here, Brevo will review your application and send you an email with their decision about your acceptance into the affiliate program. That's all there is to it. You searched for the Brevo affiliate program, opened the Become a Brevo affiliate partner page, filled in your details with a valid company website and work email, selected your country, confirmed your primary traffic source, chose your audience type, described your audience and promotional plan, agreed to the terms, and submitted. Now watch for that confirmation email from Brevo. If you have any questions about any step, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.